Hello there. Today I'm going to fix this thing here, this panel, this, every Alfa 156 has this. First step, I'm going to disconnect the battery. So it's not an interesting part. I'm going out now and just disconnect the battery. Right, next step, I'm going just to pry this off here. It's being held up by two pins here, so I just have to tear them off. It should not be too hard to do. And there goes the first one, and the second one. Cool. And just bring them off. We'll take care of them and the leftovers later. And okay. Not so good news. It looks like that in order to take down this panel, you have to take down the entire airbag, which is not good at all. So I'm back. What happened is I took off the lid, looks like this. Removing the pins was easy, but I ran into an issue because if you take a look inside of there, well, this strap goes behind the airbag, and in order to remove the lid you need to remove the airbag, which is being held up by 1, 2 and 3 bolts in there. And I just had no tools for that, but now fortunately I live close next to a big mall. I got these tools and I hopefully can get down the airbag now. I already disconnected the battery, and I also turned off the airbag just to be sure. Here, if you take a look, here it is, switch, I turned it off. Well, let's see. So the thing is being held up by a 10mm bolt, 3 of them actually. Yeah. So I will attempt to unscrew the first one now. Let's see. Okay, so round 3. Why would they make it easy, right? I could remove 2 bolts out of 3, but not the third one because it's kind of angled. So I had to go shopping for another part, this little thing, which I can do like this. And now I have what I need to remove the last bolt. So let's go and do that. first I'm going to remove the one I could not remove last time. I will unscrew it first. It's not that easy even with this tool, especially it's getting darker. I think reassembling will happen tomorrow, not earlier, just because of the darkness. Okay, yep, I think I got it on now. Alright. So just installed the lid back again. This is how it came out. It is a lot better than it was. From the driver's seat angle, it's Like, I know on the video you can see it's not perfect, but from the driver's side angle it's just not annoying anymore. It's just not sticking out, so I reached what I wanted. It was not easy, but it was worth it. That's it. Thank you for watching. And yeah, of course, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Cheers.